able to solve that induction proof? Can you do that? Solving by induction. I think ma'am have given some trick to solve that, or method to solve. Yes, good. Okay, so before that, let me just talk about this two most important people. That is EM and GM. Do you know about EM? Do you know the full form? Correct. Do you know what is that? Okay. What is geometric mean? Okay. So in arithmetic mean, suppose you are given two number, say A and B are two number which is a real number. Here also you are given A and B two real number. Perfect. What is your arithmetic mean? AM is equal to A plus B by 2. Do you agree? Correct? Yeah. What is your geometric mean? Yes. Root AB. Perfect. Correct. Do you know how this formula came? Arithmetic mean was just now somebody told that in arithmetic mean they are in arithmetic progression, something like that. So if I say A and there exists a B and in between that is AM, I will write it as A. Is that okay? Similarly here also I'll write A geometric mean as G and the second one is B. Is that okay? So what do you know by arithmetic progression? That is they are having common difference. That is E minus A is same as B minus A. Do you agree? Can you see the formula? 2A equal to A plus B and A equal to A plus B by 2. This is how the formula came. Do you agree? Yeah, perfect. What about this? What do you know about when you say this is in geometric progression? Common ratio, perfect, very nice. That is G upon A is same as B upon G. Can I write it as G square is equal to AB? So here we are having two values, that is G equal to plus minus root AB, correct? But since I am taking A and B are positive, I will be taking, okay? So the in between term that is also positive. So I'll be just taking the positive square root. Is that okay? So that is your geometric mean. G is equal to root AB. This is how the value came in the picture. Okay? Yes? Is that okay? Can somebody tell me when did this A and B will be same? What is the condition when A and B will be same? That capital A and capital B I'm talking about. Okay? They are representing it. When do we say arithmetic and geometric mean are same? If and only if. What do you see? What do you think? Maybe I'll write it as a theorem. A and B I'm taking positive real number. Okay. Yes, anyone? Try to see what is your AM. Okay, A and B is 1. Anyone else? Try to observe the thing. If you are putting A and B is 1, then that is perfectly alright. What about if I put A and B as 2? Both the value at 2. Perfect. What about if I put both same, that is 3? Then also, do you agree? So what should be the condition? Perfect. Good. Good. Can you quickly see the proof? You want to prove that? Can you do that? In the first case, you have to start with am equal to gm. That means you have to start with this a plus b by 2, that is equal to root of ab. Correct? Then you have to prove a equal to b. And similarly, what else? Conversely, you have to take a and b equal, then that is quite easy. If you go conversely, if you are taking a is equal to b, then you directly see that am is same as your gm. That is quite easy. ये डायरेक्ट दिखता है. Just can you prove this thing now? You are given arithmetic and geometric mean, and you are given both are same. Can you say that a is same as b? Quickly, can you do that? Can I write it as a plus b equal to 2 root ab? Yes. What should I do now? Squaring both the side, that is the best way. So this will be a plus b the whole square, that is equal to 4ab, na? Correct. What next? Open the bracket. So you will be having a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 4ab. What can you see? इसको इस साइड लाया तो this will become a minus b the whole square is equal to 0. Do you agree? Yes. When will this be true? स्क्वायर टर्म जीरो कब आएगा? जब भी अंदर का टर्म जीरो होना चाहिए. दैट इज ए माइनस बी मस्ट बी जीरो. डू यू एग्री? अदरवाइज दिस विल बी नेवर जीरो, बिकॉज स्क्वायर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. और ये जीरो कब रहेगा? जब अंदर का टर्म इज योर जीरो. दैट्स इट. इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? या सो रफली मैंने प्रूफ बताया. यू कैन कंप्लीट इट प्रॉपरली. That was not easy part. That was not difficult part. That's why. Okay, now the next part is prove this. If you are having 0 is less than a is less than b, then I am putting strictly less than, so that मेरे को ये zero ये equality का condition ना आना पाए. So something like 0 is less than a, that is less than square root of ab, that is less than a plus b by 2, that is less than b. That means what do you have to prove? You are already given 0 is less than a is less than. You have to prove this. You have to prove this and you have to prove this. Is that okay? First, can you prove this? Can you prove this part? That is what you have to prove. You have to prove geometric mean is less than arithmetic mean. Most important, mostly we'll be using this thing. You want to prove, let us prove, to prove root of AB that is less than equal to a plus b by 2. Can you think of it, somebody? I'll just give you 1 minute. Just try to think कैसे proof करें. You are just given this guy. A और B ऐसा है, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं. You have to prove this thing. Try to see in what case you are having something like that. Or you can do one more thing. In calculus mostly you can see, you want to prove this guy, that is a plus b is less than a plus b by 2. Correct? What will be the next step before that? That would be something root of ab is less than a plus b. Do you agree everyone? Okay, what next? कैन आई राइट दिस थिंग? इसको उस साइड लेके जाओ तो कैसा रहेगा ये? ए प्लस बी प्लस 2 रूट ए बी, दैट इज पॉजिटिव. कैन आई से दैट? यस. कैन आई गो बिफोर दैट ऑल्सो? दैट इज, डू यू सी समथिंग? ये कुछ फॉर्मूले के जैसा दिख रहा है क्या? हाँ, ये माइनस रूट ए बी. करेक्ट. या समबडी सेड समथिंग. किसके जैसा दिख रहा है? कोई फॉर्मूले के जैसा दिख रहा है क्या ये? कैन आई राइट दिस ए एज perfect, very nice, root a square plus root b square minus 2 root a root b. This is positive, but this is same as root a minus root b, that is the whole square is positive. Do you agree? I think I should write root b minus root a or what, because your b is positive. Yeah, b is greater than a na? So maybe I should write first b then a. Is that okay? There is no issue, because we just want to prove it. अगर वैसा भी किया होता तभी भी कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. So this part will become root b minus root a the whole square, that is positive. Correct? Now can you claim root b minus root a is positive? Can I say that? That means what? Can I say root b is greater than root a? What you are given with, you are given with a is less than b. Can you say that root a is less than root b? I think we have proved something. I think we have proved, yes. If you are having a is less than b, then root a is less than root b. Correct? So now do you see a whole proof follows? You are starting with a is less than b. That means root a is less than root b. That means root b is greater than. Then you can say root b minus root a is greater than 0. Squaring will be this and this. Do you see, everyone? How did we prove that? That is quite simple. We just saw the logic and we now try to connect the thing. This is how calculus is. We'll be first seeing what you want to prove, then we'll start with this. Is that okay? Yes. Now what next? अभी ये proof किया हम लोग ने. Now you have to do a is less than root ab. Can you do that? A is less than root ab. Multiplying by root a. What should I start with first? Tell me. What should I start? We are just given a is less than b. You are just given with this guy. Multiply both the side by a, no? That is a square, this will become a square, this will become ab. Then what? You already know, if your a is less than b, then root of a will be less than root of b, taking root both the sides. So this will say that a is less than root ab. Do you agree? Yeah, that's done. What next you have to prove? You have to prove this guy, a plus b by 2, that is less than b. How can you do that? Same thing. What you are given with? You are given with a is less than b. What do you want? A plus b now. So add both the side, a plus b. Perfect, very nice. This will be 2b. Then what? Just 2 इधर है तो 2 को मैं नीचे लाऊं. So this is a plus b by 2, that is less than b. Do you agree, everyone? We are done. We have proved 0 is less than a is less than root ab, and that is less than a plus b by 2, and that is less than b. This is what we have just proved. Is the proof clear, everyone? That was so simple. Nice. Okay. Now let us see in general. This is what I wanted to ask. कि induction मतलब ठीक है ना? Are you comfortable in induction now? Yeah. So the question is this. Let a1, a2 up to an be n non-negative real number. Do you understand by non-negative real number? Zero is included. Yes. Then prove that geometric mean of these n numbers is less than equal to is less than equal to their arithmetic mean. सी यहाँ पे मैंने लेस देन इक्वल टू क्यों नहीं लिया था, कोई बताएगा मुझे? ये पूरे प्रूफ में वाई डिडंट आई पुट लेस देन इक्वल टू? एनीवन? Perfect, very nice. I have taken here that A and B are strictly less than. In this case, I am just taking A and B. This and number can be same also, correct? I am not saying that they are strictly less than or something like that. I am not saying anything like that. Okay. So geometric mean of these n number is less than equal to their arithmetic mean. Do you agree? Since हम लोग ने two variable में देखा, now we have to see for n variable. Correct? With equality, when do you say they are equal? If and only if all real numbers are equal. Do you agree? Yes. So first of all, you are given E1, E2, En, B, N non-negative real number. What is your arithmetic mean? What is your geometric mean? Can you tell me? Arithmetic mean, that is quite easy. What will be arithmetic mean? Only A2. By N, perfect, very nice. This is your arithmetic mean. What is geometric mean? Can you similarly think of it? Perfect, very nice. Nth root. Nth root is, that is यहाँ पे n लिखते हैं ना हम लोग, E1 into E2 into E3 up to En. That is same as E1, E2, E3 up to En raised to 1 by n. Is that same? Both are thing. So do you agree? Okay. Now can you just quickly verify कि A1 A2 के लिए ये true रहेगा? If I put n equal to 2, then this is same as जो भी मैंने previously लिखा था. Do you agree? Uh, हाँ, if I put n equal to 2, if I am having only two number, do you see जो भी ये मैंने फॉर्मूला दिया है वो सेम है जो पहले मैंने दिया था, correct? If you are having two number, then this will be E1 plus A2 upon n is here 2, and here it will be at the place of n it will be 2, that is square root, correct? Do you agree? So this is in general arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Perfect. Now what do you want? Do you want me to give this as exercise, since you have already doing that induction proof? So I think I will give this as exercise and we will be discussing it in the next lecture. Is that okay? You want to prove this as induction, so start कैसे करोगे तुम लोग? What is the rule for induction? Yeah, prove n equal to 1. Then what is the second step? Assume assume result is true for n equal to k. Perfect. What is step 3? Perfect. Prove the result for n equal to k plus 1. So I will give this an exercise. You can submit it on the classroom. I'll just check it. अगर solve किया तो ठीक है. Is that okay? Or or if you have some doubt, you may ask with your ma'am also, because she is also doing the same thing. So it will be good for you, for her also to explain you quite better way. If you don't get it, then I'm here to help you. Is that okay? Yeah, nice. Okay. Now there is a question. This type of question always comes in your exam. Even in your entrance exam, they are given if A, B, and C are positive real number, positive real number, prove that, prove that A plus B, B plus C, and A plus C, that is C plus A जो भी बोलो, that is greater than equal to 8 ABC. Further, if A plus B plus C is equal to 1, then prove that 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C, that is greater than equal to 8 ABC. Okay, this is what you have to prove. We'll write question 1. Can you think of it? I'll just give you 1 minute. Can you just think of it? See, you just forget about this thing first. Look at this. A, B, and C are three positive real number. You are given A plus B, B plus C, A plus C. You just now see कि A plus B कब दिखता है अपने को? Anyone, do you have any idea how to prove this, or do you have some logic, any intuition you can discuss with us? Perfect, perfect, very nice. So I got answer the same thing from. Perfect, very nice. Nice, nice, nice. So many of you guessed it right. So we will be using arithmetic three times, for A and B, for B and C, for A and C, correct? So can I quickly write that root of AB, that is less than A plus B by 2? This implies less than equal to, actually, because they are not saying that distinct. So can I now write it as 2 root AB, that is less than equal to A plus B? Can I write it? Similarly, for BC, that is less than equal to B plus C. Very nice. I'm happy that you guys answered it. And that is less than equal to B plus C. And what next? That is AC, E plus C. And that is imply 2 root AC, that is less than equal to A plus. What next? What next? Adding. Adding or multiplying? Multiplying, no? So if you multiply, so this side will be less than, still less than. Why? It will be 2 cube, that is 8. Can I quickly write it? 8. And this will be root of common root, a and a square, b square, c square, that is less than equal to a plus b. But first of all, if I'm multiplying something, I'm not getting any sign change or anything. Why that is so? Yes, very nice. This is positive real number, so we can do that. If you multiply, there is no sign change or nothing like that. Correct? Good. So what next? We are done now. So this is equal to, this is what our first part you have to prove this. That is, this is 8ABC, that is less than equal to A plus B, B plus C, and C plus A. Hence proved. First part we are done. Now can you think of it, the second one? Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. See, if you take A plus B plus C is equal to 1, then A plus B is same as 1 minus C. At the place of A plus B, I'll be having 1 minus C. Correct? And at the place of B plus C, I'll be having 1 minus A. And at the place of A plus C, I'll be having 1 minus B. Is it clear, everyone? Very nice. So I'll be not doing that. You just complete that part. Let me give you one more question and let's see whether you can do that. I am giving X, Y, Z. they are positive. And one more thing, you are given x plus y plus z, that is equal to 1. Then show that 1 plus x, 1 plus y, 1 plus z, that is less than equal to 64 upon 27. Can you prove this? I'll give just 1 minute. Here you see right hand side में कुछ ऐसा term नहीं है. Just try to think about it. Tell me once you get something, once you get some idea how to do that. Anyone? Yes, anyone? Miss Chinmay, you want to say something? No, if you have any idea or anything, you can say. You don't have to be shy here. Yatin, Pratham. Yeah, think of it. Dipali, Shreya, just think of it. I would want कि कोई तो आंसर करो तुम में से. Kunal, Ankita, okay. So, shall I start? Should I start now? If you don't able to do that. Okay, okay. See, in the left side you are seeing product of three numbers, correct? Can I use arithmetic and geometric inequality for three numbers? You are given x, y, z is positive. Can I see that 1 plus x, comma 1 plus y, comma 1 plus z, that is also positive? Can I use arithmetic inequality for three number? What is that? That is 1 plus x plus 1 plus y plus 1 plus z raised to 1 by 3, that is less than equal to, do you see, 1 plus x plus 1 plus y plus 1 plus z upon 3. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Yes. Now we are done. We are done. Do you see? 1/3 है, क्या करूँ मैं? मेरे को क्यूब रूट लेना है. Taking cube both the side. But can I do that? Again, the question is again, can I do that? And कुछ changes नहीं रहेगा. Why? Because you are given x and y and z are positive, so you can do that. So this will become 1 plus x. This will become 1 plus y. This will be 1 plus z. That is less than equal to, what is this? 1 1 1 3 plus x plus y plus z divided by 3 raised to 3. Do you agree? Are we done? Can you see, are we done now? X plus y plus z, that is 1 already given. So you are having 4 cube upon 3 cube, that is 64 upon 27. सी तुमको इधर ही से देख के समझना चाहिए था, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्यूब है ना, दोनों किसी न किसी टर्म का क्यूब है, सो यू शुड थिंक ऑफ लाइक दैट. इज दैट ओके? मस्त था ना क्वेश्चन. या ओके, नाउ आई विल गिव वन मोर प्रॉब्लम. Actually, there are so many problems based on this. Uh, yeah. Are you done? Should I go ahead? You can take the screenshot also if you want. Let me write it later because main thing I don't want to waste time on giving you time to write or something like that. Understanding is important in our case. Suppose you are given A, B, C are positive real number. Here I am saying strictly positive real number. What do you mean by that? That will be non-zero, correct? Then show that. ये अच्छा question. Let me see. Okay, one more thing. Can I just extend for maybe 10 to 15 minutes? Okay, 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 no issue. No, no issue, no issue. Okay, this is what you have to prove. Can you think of it? Look at the question properly. You are given three numbers and you are given A into B into C, that is 8. Then show that A plus B plus C, that is greater than equal to 6. And one more thing, you have to show this. Can you think of it? What should I do? Just anyone, any idea for the first one? For first thing you want to prove? Of three number, should I apply for three number? That is A plus B plus C by 3, that used to be greater than equal to A B C raised to 1 by 3. Do you agree? And you are already given A B C का value क्या है, 8 है. So this is A plus B plus C by 3, that is less than equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3. Are we done now? That is A plus B plus C, that is greater than equal to 6. The first part you are done. What about the second one? You want to prove this? Try to see this guy properly. That is AB plus BC plus AC. Try to see properly ये है क्या? You are already given some ABC equal to 8. Can I relate this with something? I have given you just hint. Just think of it. You are given ABC equal to 8. Can you give me the AB? Or can I put it like this? ABC upon C plus ABC upon A plus ABC upon B. Is that okay? Can I do that? And what is your ABC? 8. So can I write this as 8 upon C plus 8 upon A plus 8 upon B? In next term, I will write 8 upon A, 8 upon B, 8 upon, like that. Can I do that? Nice. Means at this place you are having this guy. Do you agree? That means what you have to show now, you have to show 8 into 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c, that is greater than equal to 12. This is what you have to prove. Yes. Now can you think of it? You are having addition of three number. What should I do? Apply arithmetic and geometric mean on 1 upon a, 1 upon b, 1 upon c. Then only you will be getting some addition. Do you agree? That means what? 1 upon e plus 1 upon b plus, I'll just take 1 minute more. I'm sorry for that. Uh, Divide by 3. That is greater than equal to whom? 1 upon a into 1 upon b into 1 upon. Do you agree, everyone? Hello. Do you see we are done? We just have to prove this. Do you see we are done actually? What is this guy? 1 upon ABC. Your ABC is 8. Correct? So this is 1 upon 8 raised to 3. So you are having 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, that is greater than equal to 3 by 2. Do you see that? Yes. What do you want? Multiply 8 both the side. That is 8 into 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. That is greater than equal to 12, na? 8 into, yeah, 12. But this guy is same as just now we showed something. This guy is same as AB plus BC plus C. So this means what? AB plus BC plus CA, that is greater than equal to 12. Are we done? Yes? Okay, good. Yeah, I'll just quickly give one problem. You just try. If you are having A and B are positive number, A plus B equal to 8. This is homework problem for the next lecture. Then find minimum value of 1 plus 1 upon A into 1 plus 1 upon B. Try to see. Find the minimum value of this. Just think of it. We'll do in the next lecture if you don't get it. Is that okay?